Boston, Massachusetts is a dynamic, globally connected city with hundreds of thousands of leases turning over every year. Many buildings here offer rental units. Some are traditional company-managed apartment complexes, while others are condominium buildings where individual owners lease out their homes. In this video, we're highlighting the 5 best condo buildings for renting in Boston. These properties consistently have units available, are located in prime neighborhoods, offer top-notch amenities, high-end finishes, and spectacular views. Whether you're looking to lease a home in Boston or invest in a condo that will always have tenants interested, this video is for you. Before we start, my name is Charlie Smith. I'm a real estate advisor here in Boston. I work with people from all over looking to buy, lease, or invest in the city and suburbs. If you would like to tour any of the buildings mentioned, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, please message me anytime. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. In Boston, many renters initially consider large apartment complexes where a single company owns and manages the entire building. Higher-end examples include Avalon Bay Communities, 212 Stewart, the Alcott Hub 50 House, One Canal, the Metlo, and many more. While these buildings are plentiful, they often come with drawbacks: high turnover rates, a significant student population, and standardized construction and finishes. These factors contribute to a less personalized living experience. In contrast, condominiums rented directly from individual owners often provide a different living experience. These units tend to be quieter, feature higher quality finishes, offer more spacious and thoughtfully designed layouts, and come with more attentive maintenance and care. Additionally, condo rentals frequently provide a sense of stability and community that large, corporate-run buildings may lack. Beginning with Raffles Boston in the Back Bay, located at 430 Stewart Street, this development offers a unique opportunity for condominium owners through its exclusive pied-à-terre program. This program allows owners to lease their units part-time, providing flexibility and the potential for rental income when not in personal use. As a result, there are always residences available for lease, primarily consisting of studio units. These studios offer a luxurious and convenient living experience in one of Boston's most desirable neighborhoods. Ideal for those who want to reside in a highly exclusive community, this building offers tenants the ability to live short or long-term in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in the country. Built in 2023, Raffles Boston has quickly become a standout in the city's luxury real estate market. As the first Raffles-branded residence in North America, this 35-story mixed-use tower combines the legendary hospitality of Raffles Hotels and Resorts with exclusive residential living. This development includes 146 opulent residences and a 147-room hotel. Raffles Boston offers a diverse range of floor plans, including 1 to 3 bedroom condominiums, pied-à-terre studio homes on the 15th and 16th floors, and 7 penthouses located on the 34th and 35th floors. Each residence is designed with floor-to-ceiling windows that provide expansive views of the Charles River and Boston Harbor. Residences are outfitted with high-end kitchens, featuring Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances as well as hardwood floors. The penthouses showcase a light, neutral color scheme for kitchens and baths, complemented by striking stone selections. Raffles Boston offers an unparalleled suite of amenities designed to provide residents with a luxurious and convenient lifestyle. These include a 20-meter lap pool with relaxation areas, a health club, lounges, a luxury spa, and a rooftop garden. Residents also have access to Raffles' signature butler service and dedicated concierge team. The building features several on-site restaurants, including a Sky Bar and Speakeasy, enhancing the vibrant living experience. The prime Back Bay location offers immediate access to Copley Square, the Boston Public Library, and Newbury Street's luxury shopping and dining. These rentals range from $4,900 to $40,000 per month. Next on the list is Millennium Tower, located at 1 Franklin Street in downtown Crossing. This 60-story glass skyscraper is one of the most recognizable and sought-after addresses in Boston and consistently offers a selection of rental options thanks to the owners who lease their homes here. For renters, you can almost always find availability, whether you're looking for a one-bedroom apartment or a larger three-bedroom residence. Beyond the inventory, Millennium Tower is one of the most convenient places to live in the city. Its central location in the middle of Boston puts you minutes away from Back Bay, South End, the waterfront, and Beacon Hill. Transit options are available almost immediately outside the door, and the area features lots of shopping and dining choices. The residences at Millennium Tower were created for modern city living, with expansive, floor-to-ceiling windows, bringing in natural light and showcasing incredible views of the Boston skyline, harbor, and the Charles River. Layouts are open and efficient, ranging from sleek one-bedroom units to grand penthouses on the upper floors. Kitchens are outfitted with plug-and-pull cabinetry, Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, and Bosch dishwashers, providing a true chef's experience. Bathrooms feature spa-like finishes with marble floors, glass showers, and soaking tubs. Many homes also include custom built-ins and thoughtfully designed storage, making them as practical as they are luxurious. Where Millennium Tower shines is in its suite of amenities. The building offers 23,000 square feet of private residence space, anchored by a state-of-the-art 10,000 square foot fitness center that rivals private fitness clubs. Residents also have access to a junior Olympic-sized pool, a spa treatment room, and locker facilities. For entertaining and socializing, there's a private dining room, a bar, restaurant, a wine tasting room, a screening room, billiards lounge, and even a children's playroom. A 24-hour concierge, doorman, and valet parking ensure a seamless living experience. For renters, Millennium Tower delivers the perks of availability, exclusivity, and lifestyle. It offers the consistent inventory of a larger rental building, but with the superior finishes, prestige, and community feel of a luxury condominium. The building is a top choice for those who need to be in Boston for a year or two and want quick access to everything the city has to offer in just minutes. Rentals range from $4,500 to $35,000 per month. For those who want to live in Boston's newest neighborhood, another top choice for renters is Echelon Seaport, located at 133 and 135 Seaport Boulevard. This massive luxury development spans over 1.3 million square feet and consists of two striking glass towers rising in the middle of the Seaport district. With over 400 condominiums in addition to traditional rental apartments and retail space, Echelon Seaport is one of the most active buildings in the city for lease opportunities. Because so many owners rent out their homes, there's almost always availability, whether you're looking for a sleek studio, a one-bedroom, or a high-floor three-bedroom residence with harbor and city views. Its location in the Seaport is also a huge draw, placing residents in Boston's newest and trendiest neighborhood, surrounded by upscale dining, nightlife, fitness studios, and waterfront activities. For anyone who values convenience and lifestyle, it's hard to beat Echelon Seaport. The residences here are designed to maximize natural light and show Boston's harbor and skyline views. Homes feature floor-to-ceiling windows, private balconies in many units, wide plank oak flooring, and custom Italian cabinetry. Kitchens are equipped with Thermador appliances, quartz countertops, and integrated storage. Bathrooms have spa-like finishes, glass showers, and soaking tubs in select units. Echelon also boasts one of the most impressive amenity collections in Boston, with over 50,000 square feet of resident-only space. This includes 2 outdoor pools, an indoor pool, a 24-hour fitness center, basketball court, golf simulator, wine room, sky lounge, and multiple club rooms. There's also a full-service spa, pet spa, and on-site concierge and valet services. The building is essentially designed as a self-contained luxury village, giving renters everything they need without ever leaving home. For renters, Echelon Seaport delivers consistent availability, a great location, and one of the largest resort-style amenity packages in the city. It appeals to those who want the energy of the city's most exciting neighborhood, paired with the elevated finishes and amenities of a world-class development. It's one of the best choices in Boston for anyone looking to rent a condo that feels like a 5-star experience. Rentals range between $3,600 and $16,000 per month. Now, an excellent option for renters right on Boston's waterfront with cheaper monthly rates are the Harbor Towers, located along the Rose Kennedy Greenway at 65 and 85 East India Row. These twin 40-story buildings have been a fixture of Boston's skyline since the 1970s, and they remain one of the most reliable condo buildings for rental availability. With over 600 residences between the two towers, there is always inventory on the market, from 1 to 4 bedroom homes with harbor views. The location is a huge advantage. Residents are just steps from the financial district, downtown Boston, the Seaport, and the North End, giving them direct access to Boston's top dining, shopping, and employment hubs. For renters who want to be central to everything, Harbor Towers is one of the best values in the city at relatively lower price points. The residences here vary in size and style, as many have been renovated over the years by individual owners. Some feature updated kitchens with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops, while others still have more traditional finishes, offering renters a wide range of options at different prices. What nearly all of them have in common are the large picture windows and private balconies, which showcase incredible views of Boston Harbor, Logan Airport, and the city skyline. Harbor Towers also offers a seasonal heated outdoor pool with harbor views, a 24-hour concierge, security, and on-site management. The building provides rental parking in an adjacent garage, which is a huge bonus in such a central waterfront location. For renters, Harbor Towers offers a rare combination of availability, affordability, and waterfront living. It is not possible to find homes of these sizes and heights right on the water in Boston for cheaper. It's ideal for anyone who wants to be on the harbor while staying close to Boston's major business and popular leisure areas, making it one of the most practical and consistently available condo rental options in the city. Prices range from $2,600 to $25,000 per month. Lastly, for those who are looking to be in Cambridge, an excellent option for renters is the Regatta Riverview Residences, located at 8 to 12 Museum Way in East Cambridge, right along the Charles River. With more than 400 condominiums spread across its two towers, this community is the largest condo complex in Cambridge, meaning there's almost always rental availability. The location is a huge draw. Residents are just minutes from Cambridge Crossing, Kendall Square, MIT, and have quick access into downtown Boston. Many of those working at Mass General Hospital just across the river make these buildings home. The towers sit right on the water, giving most apartments direct river and skyline views, while offering easy commuting options into the city. For renters who want to be close to both Cambridge's tech hub and downtown Boston, Regatta is a highly convenient choice. The residences at Regatta Riverview come in a range of layouts from 1 to 3 bedroom homes. Because units are individually owned, finishes vary and many have been renovated with hardwood floors, marble counters, and high-end stainless steel appliances. Larger homes often feature private balconies with sweeping views of the Charles River and Boston skyline. The building also delivers a solid set of recently updated amenities that make it appealing for renters. A heated indoor lap pool, fitness center with professional equipment, hot tub, clubroom, business center, and a 24-hour concierge service. Valet parking and free shuttle service to Kendall Square add the convenience, making it a practical pick for professionals. For renters, Regatta Riverview offers consistent inventory in a location that makes it one of the most reliable condo communities in Greater Boston. It delivers riverfront living, city convenience, and full-service amenities at a more accessible rental price point compared to newer luxury towers, hence why it remains one of the best options for those looking to lease a condo in Cambridge. Rentals range between $3,000 and $12,000 per month. Now, if you're looking to lease a condo in Boston, a quick overview of what is required. Typically, an owner will want to collect first and last month's rent, along with a security deposit. If you decide to work with an agent, the fee is half month's rent, although if you are able to go directly through the owner and decide not to use an agent, there is no broker fee due to recent changes in legislation. However, working with an experienced agent can be a worthwhile investment, as someone with inside knowledge, such as myself, can make recommendations on buildings and areas, set up and coordinate all showings, And lastly, guide you through the application process to collect all relevant documentation to help you get accepted. Overall, these condo buildings are an excellent choice for those looking to live in Boston short term, but still want a community like feeling, high end finishes, and top tier amenities, all in great locations in the city. If you are looking to rent or buy a home in the Boston area, I am ready to help. I work with people who are relocating to Boston or moving around in the city and suburbs. Please feel free to message me anytime. I would love to hear from you and assist in your search. With that said, thanks for taking the time to watch, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury condo buildings, and property tours.